Hello and Sawadee from Jay&joy Adventures. We're here in Phuket, Thailand, and we're going to do a tour of our villa.
Which is very modern and actually very nice. We actually got upgraded from our previous one.
Yeah, the one that we originally booked, they said it wasn't available anymore, so they upgraded us to, I think it's actually just been finished because there's more villas like it just down the road, but they're not actually, they're still under construction basically. So ours is just finished, so it's quite techie as well actually.
It is very techie, but we will show you that as we go through because we're going to do a villa tour.
So we've got the bottom gate just down there.
It's actually really nice just to look from up here. You've also got the mountains all the way over there.
So they're still actually, I think, sorting out with the concrete for the whole path to come up. That's why you can see there's a bit of brown down there and stuff. But yeah. So you can see here, ours is actually the furthest one back. So we have to come up.
We have to come up all these stairs, which I mean I'm not happy about. But
and then we have this very large door handle, very large door right here. We also have a doorbell and it rings like an electronic sound.
Press it.
There you go.
There you go.
So
Ding dong hello. There's also this here for when you come back home. So it says welcome and goodbye. So what you do, you flick that on. And you can't really tell super well, but the lights then come on. And if you press this one, and all the lights turn off. So we've got all of these sliding doors leading into the living room. They go all the way down the wall. This one actually locks. So when you leave, you can obviously lock that. And then you've got this really big pool. It's not super deep, but it is quite big.
How deep would you say it is? Like 1.4?
3, 4 maybe.
Okay. So there's all these plants just around the pool, which is actually really nice. It gives it a really nice vibe. So there's steps to get into the pool over there. There is a little ledge over there where any water that overflows just goes. Yeah, so it has a place to collect the water that's overflown. And obviously we've got loungers, and there's all these like posts as well. You can see up here we've got a couple balconies and some more floor-to-ceiling windows. So I do love that all these windows can open out because it gives it a really nice open air like vibe. So we'll go through the inside in a minute. So we've actually got this huge table outside. It has what, 8 seats, and it's got these like acrylic chairs, which is again a really modern look. Like the whole see-through like plastic thing, you know? And we've also got a little rack out here to like dry things. So out here there is a shower as well, so after when you're out of the pool. So that there is the shower head, and then down there actually is a little tap where you can just wash your feet off if you want to. So you can just do that in general without, that has nothing to do with the pool. If you just want to clean your feet. This is the outdoor bathroom. Okay,
well, it's outdoor and indoor actually. So
yeah,
you can go in from both ways.
Yeah, it's actually got 2 doorways, which is pretty cool.
So you get this one and you get this one.
So we'll enter the other side as well to show. So yeah, it's just like a normal bathroom. It's actually like bigger than you'd expect it to be for something kind of outside, you know. So it's just got a sink and it's got the toilet over there. If you come out...
Do you want to follow me in through this way?
The space is actually quite large. So go through the door on the inside.
So we'll go up this way.
So you've got a little hallway down here.
And then you got your washing machine here.
Yeah, and it's one of the ones that stand up. So we're not really...
I don't understand how they work.
I mean, they do work, but we're just not really used to this kind of thing because we don't use these in the UK. So it is quite different.
Everything in here is Samsung.
That's very good. So we're here on the inside now and you can look out through the glass windows, which always looks so nice.
It's really nice.
Well, especially in a country where it's bright and sunny, it just makes everything so nice and bright. So here is the kitchen.
Kitchen actually, and what I think is an induction hob.
We've got the hob here, and there's an oven. There's actually a dishwasher here. The last place that we stayed at didn't have a dishwasher, which is pretty cool. It's got quite a lot of amenities, like, you know, a kettle. That's an air fryer, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's an air fryer. We've got a toaster with a lid on it.
I love that. And there's a little coffee machine, a little Dolce Gusto, and there's the microwave. And
always incredibly useful.
And then we've got the fridge freezer over here. And then we've just got a couple cupboards and obviously an extractor fan. So yeah, this is pretty much all of the kitchen here. There is obviously a bin as well, but it is like an open living space is the idea. As you can see, you have the kitchen here and then you've got the space, and then there's another really big table. So you've got the 8-seater one outside, it's a little bit messy. And then we've got this 8-seater one inside as well. Again, the table is actually the exact same table, so it's got the wooden legs with the white top, but it's just got different chairs inside. And this place also has a couple fans at the top, which is really nice if you just want to cool down, but you don't want to be using aircon and stuff. So you can just turn on the fans. They're pretty good as well, actually. So yeah, we've got this fan on the ceiling, which is really useful if you're opening these up, going in and out, so you don't want to use aircon and be wasting all of that. So the fan kind of allows enough just so that you can cool down and stuff. What do you think?
I mean, it works pretty well, like just standing under it, you can definitely feel the breeze, like it's good.
So obviously these are actually the stairs, so you're upstairs. They don't have a side or anything. They've got a banister on the inside. So you do have to be a little bit careful when you're walking down at night, just so you're not falling off of it. Yeah, so this is also the table that's inside. It's also very large and fits 8 people as well. So the space down here is quite big because it has this whole kitchen, this massive table here, and then still some space. And then we've also got this decent sized sofa. It's actually pretty comfy as well. So we've just got this, and then we've actually got a mini version of the dining table as a coffee table here. And then we've got a really big TV. How many inches do you think this is, babe?
I have no idea, like 70 odd.
Yeah, it's really big, which is not super usual when you go and stay in places.
No.
So yeah, this place is definitely...
It's also a smart TV, which I really...
Yeah, they've definitely kind of taxed this place out a little bit more than at some of the other villas, for sure.
You've got the master. Hello. So the master is actually really big. You've got a nice, what would you say this is, king?
I think it's a king.
I think it's a king size bed here. Again, some wall art and our nice big aircon unit.
And we've got our little techie pad here as well.
Techie pad here, so lights, aircon. Let's turn everything on because we're wasteful. We actually have a terrace lamp as well, which you just saw me turn on there. And then it all turns off with one button.
So you've got this wardrobe as well, which is one of the ones where the doors slide so it doesn't take up space from opening it. So it's pretty cool. So they slide at both ends. We've got 2 sliding doors.
And what we've also got is this absolutely huge floor-to-ceiling window that goes out onto the balcony. And I'm pretty sure you can open, yeah, you can open it just so you can walk out. It's not technically a door, it is a window, but...
This is the side of the balcony that wraps around the building.
But this is the one that has the view. So this window gets really hot because, well, sun. So it does come with this massive blackout-like blind that you can shut. There we go. And then, the prize of the show, it's huge. It's the whole width of the room. It's obviously nearly floor-to-ceiling windows, and it opens up onto the balcony. So this is the actual balcony. Very tempting to jump in the pool, but...
Can you turn around and just get what the house looks like from this way across?
Yeah.
I think that
So there's also like a sun shield shadow thing over there. You can actually still look out through, but it stops the sun like coming in.
I think you can remove it if you want to, because the house opposite us don't have it.
And then you've also got this huge kind of gap in the ceiling, so the sun can actually get down onto the pool.
This is what it looks like from inside, just being, you know, by the bed and looking out to the balcony. All these white buildings definitely help the light just bounce off of it again, which just makes it super, super bright outside. And here is the bathroom. So the doors here in all the rooms actually are like these wooden panel doors. The bathroom does have a couple gaps at the bottom of it, I think, to work just as a ventilator. So yeah, here we've got the mirror and we've got the sink. It is a large sink, but this whole thing underneath, I thought was a drawer, so I pulled out the handle, but it's not. It just covers the underneath of the sink. It doesn't really go with the rest of the house, I think, just with the way that everything else is decorated. But yeah, we've got the toilet, and then we've got the shower here. It's actually a bath shower, which again, it's only really possible because it's a larger bathroom. The other bathroom just has it as a shower. So that's quite nice. You have the option if you'd like want a bath or something like that. Also just means it's less of a wet room area, just because all your water's then getting collected with the shower door and the bath as well. And then we've got the towel rack. We've got a little window up here as well, that also brings in loads of natural light. You can open it too if you want to, you know, release steam and things like that. And I think we've got another kind of ventilator just down there. And we've got one up here as well. And there is a little shelf to kind of put your shower products and things in there. So walking back round, you can see the view, you know, through the balcony doors, and it's still incredible just being inside and looking out onto it. It's the most scenic thing ever.
So that's going to do it for our villa tour this time, not our room tour. We hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you have, be sure to go below, hit the like button, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe and never miss a video from us. Until next time, we'll see you very soon.